Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we are going to discuss about some new pop-up messages that I'm seeing here and there.
Meanwhile,
New pop-up messages on the Facebook platform. I would just like to discuss them with you so that you can know what to do and not get tricked. Okay, so the first message that we're going to analyze is this. Selected for advertising study. First of all, I need to say that you're not selected if you have seen these messages. All of my ad accounts have the same message. This ad account has been selected to participate in a 9-week study to help improve campaign performance. A small proportion of ads using custom audiences will be delivered to people beyond, and then it has the opt-out button. So what does this mean? We know that after iOS changes, Facebook wants bigger audiences, and we know that we also have the detailed targeting expansion option, which is now mandatory for all the accounts. In some accounts, I can still see the option to click or unclick it, but still I know that in the vast majority, most of the audiences that you're using with interests or lookalikes, not with lookalikes, with interests, they have the expand audience option, and also we have the expand audience option with the lookalikes. This is why Facebook is doing this. They want to have bigger audiences because now Facebook favors the bigger audiences. We know that after iOS changes, we had a smaller audience to target because of all these people that they have opted out. So now we actually have the need to go to bigger audiences ourselves, and this is why Facebook is doing that. What does this mean though? It means that Facebook wants you to use your custom audiences in retargeting or wherever, and Facebook is going to try to expand that. So it's going to take the custom audience and it's going to try to expand to more people based on your on the demographics of the custom audiences that you're using. Is this good or bad? Should you opt in or opt out? I have tested it. In some accounts I opted in some accounts I opted out. I haven't seen any difference, to be honest with you, okay? But still, I wanted to analyze this so that you can know if you see the message. A second message that I see a lot is cost per purchase may double, okay? So far, I could see messages just in the pixel area on your ad set level or where you put your conversion event, and when you were putting purchases, they told you that you might get 0 purchases, okay? Just this stupid message that was all about you being afraid of running conversion ads with purchase events because you will get 0 purchases. Now, they say that cost per purchase may double. I have seen this in the ad level. It says your cost per purchase for this ad set may cost at least twice as much as ad sets you ran in the past. This may be a result of changing market conditions or the following: changing your budget. Consider comparing this ad set to some of your previous ad sets with lower CPAs. And then we have previous ad sets with lower CPAs, view content plus add to cart last 30 days, or initiate checkout 7 days. So my proposal to that is that you should ignore these messages. These messages from Facebook is all about not letting you run the ads that you want. Basically, it's not like they don't let you to, but you should ignore them because they're trying to make you run the ads the way that they want instead of the way that you want or the proper way. So keep ignoring these messages, these scarcity messages that they are all about you running add to cart conversion or anything else, and keep doing whatever you think is working best for your account or by watching people's suggestions like myself. So last but not least message. So when you are logging into your ads manager, a lot of times I'm seeing the cookies for the Facebook browser. I'm not going to read all of it. I'm going to put a print screen here. Only allow essential cookies or allow essential and optional cookies. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you what to click, okay? In my opinion, if you are working as an advertiser or if you have your own brand, then you should put the second one to allow essential and optional, not only essential, because you need the best possible. But here's the transition from Facebook actually, that they're trying to put a lot of effort inside the platform. So until now, we had Facebook, which was the intermediate, and we were doing ads and people were going to other sites, and this is where the cookies were, and the pixel was there to gather all the data. Now, after the iOS changes and all this loss of data, Facebook is trying to do conversions and do actions within the Facebook platform. This is why we have the cookies, and this is how Facebook is going to roll from now on. They will try to do a lot of things within the platform instead of losing all of this data to the other sites because of iOS changes. Okay, so that's all I had for you about the new messages that I'm seeing on the Facebook platform. This is a small update about the things that I see and my opinion about them. This is for all the people that they don't know how to criticize them or how to filter if something is good or bad. There you go, here's your answer, here's my opinion at least. And until we meet again, don't forget that you have to be creative and you have to be consistent in the universe and in the metaverse.